Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to draw a root 3 rectangle. Let's start with the horizontal line. This time I'm drawing it very at the bottom of my page because I'll need space. And I'm using an 8 centimeters radius, I think, and I'm just gonna use my compass and draw an arc. Then using the same 8 centimeters radius, I'm pointing my compass on the other intersection and making another arc. Next, using the same initial radius, I'm pointing my compass here and just making 2 marks over here. So now when I align my ruler to this point and extend the line, you see, I'm meeting the mark previously drawn. And I'll do that on the other side as well. So now I can align my 2 intersections like this, but I'm gonna stop here, okay? I'm not gonna draw that full line. I'm just gonna stop here and complete my square by adding this point right here. So now that I have my square, I'm gonna point my compass on the corner here, open it to the other corner, the opposite corner of the square, and I'm going to draw an arc. I'm gonna extend the sides. Okay, this one and the other one. On this side, I don't know where to stop, so let me just show you. First of all, we need the diagonal. And then using my compass, I'll point it onto this corner and open it to where the diagonal meets the initial arc. Okay, and I'm adding a semicircle. So now I have this point where the semicircle is. This is where I have to stop with my side of the rectangle and also adding the top side as well. So from this point, if I want to draw a root 3 rectangle, I'll do the same as I did for the root 2. I'm opening my compass to opposite corners and drawing an arc. And you will see, maybe here is not really that, but you can see that my arc is stopping exactly where the upper point is. So we already had the root 3 rectangle straight from the beginning. So you just had to extend the lines and add the top side. And this is the root 3 rectangle. I hope you enjoyed this content. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!